Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. We'll walk you through the process of installing new rear heavy-duty Arnott Air Springs for Lincoln Town Car, Ford Crown Victoria, or Mercury Grand Marquis. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start the removal by turning the air suspension switch to the off position. The switch is located on the right side of the luggage compartment. Then set the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle. Remove the applicable rear wheel and remove the air spring solenoid retaining clip. Rotate the solenoid counterclockwise to the first stop and then carefully pull out to vent the air pressure from the air spring. After the air spring is deflated, turn the solenoid again and remove it from the air spring. Continue by removing the clip that secures the top of the air spring to the chassis with pliers or a suitable hook tool. To access the clip, go underneath the wheel arch between the body of the vehicle and the chassis. The final removal step is to remove the piston from the axle spring seat clip. The air spring is held in place with a round retainer clip under the piston cap. To unsnap the clip, gently pry between the piston and the axle. The clip will unsnap when pressure is applied. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Start by changing the O-rings on the air spring solenoid. Then install the solenoid and replace the solenoid retaining clip. Replace the top air spring retaining clip and clip the bottom of the air spring piston to the axle. It is very important to make sure the piston is clipped in and secure before inflating or pressurizing the air spring. Replace the tire and wheel assembly and tighten the wheel hub bolt nuts to 115 to 142 Newton meter, 85 to 105 pound-foot. Remove all safety stands and lower the vehicle. Finalize the installation by turning the air suspension switch back to the on position and starting the vehicle. The vehicle should rise back to the factory trim height. Thank you for following our guide on installing an Arnott rear air spring. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.